Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Market Breadth. I am Dr. Guru with Ahan Analytics. I wanted to do this quick video because I was reviewing the Swing Trade Bot general market overview, and I noticed that amidst all this bullishness, all this green in terms of the long, mid, and short-term directions of these indices, I noticed that shooting star candlesticks showed up for the Wilshire 5000 and the S&P 500, which means that there are some stocks in here that may be having blow off tops. So I wanted to just take a few quick minutes to show how to find potential blow off tops in Swing Trade Bot. As a reminder, I am a subscriber to Swing Trade Bot, so some of the features that I show you may not be able to access if you're only using the free version. Also, as a reminder, I am not making predictions, and you should take this um, data and presentation as informational. Do your own analyses and risk assessments. So, having said that, let's take a look at what a shooting star candlestick is. So, if I click on that right there, you'll see a description at the top. The shooting star is made up of one candlestick, white or black, with a small body, long upper shadow, and small or non-existent lower shadow. It's essentially a potential bearish sign, and you can see these related scans, bearish and reversal. But in my book, it's not bearish until it's confirmed, and confirming for me means that the next day the stock closes lower. And the lower, the better, typically. And what it'll leave behind is a very clear bearish topping pattern. Now, I don't just want to look at any shooting star candlestick. I want to look at ones, again, I'm trying to look for potential blow off tops. So that means I want stocks that prior to the shooting star candlestick made all time highs or at least 52-week highs. So let's go through the advanced filters to get to where I want to go. So I only want to look at stocks. Primary filters, I only want stocks that are at least 10 bucks in price. I want to use a what's called a back-to-back scan. And the back-to-back scan allows you to choose multiple dates over which the signals are triggered. So I don't want on the first day, I don't want a shooting star candlestick. I actually want a 52-week high. So you can see I could pick that up right here. And the 52-week high will also, of course, cover an all-time high. Then on the second day, what I want is the shooting star candlestick. So let's see if I can find one really quickly. And there we go, shooting star candlestick. And I set my filters. I want to choose my date. So I want Friday the 1st to be the all-time, or sorry, the 52-week high. And then the next day, which is today, March 4th, will be the shooting star candlestick. And then, of course, tomorrow, what I'll be looking for is stocks that meet this criteria and closed lower. So let's click on Find Stocks. What I want to see is a small universe of very well targeted stocks. And sure enough, there's only 2 pages, which is great. Another sorting I like to do is either on volume surge, like look at the stocks with the highest surge, or stocks with the biggest change. And actually, let's do the biggest change because these are more likely to already be in bearish territory. So Carvana tops the list. I can swing my cursor over the chart icon to see, just do a quick view. I think Carvana still actually looks pretty strong. I can get a better view if I go to Trading View. And let's see, directly to Trading View, I mean, and let's take a look. So if you see, I'm zooming in, it's not quite a candidate for a potential blow off top because today's action didn't happen above yesterday's action. So I'm going to reverse what I said in terms of picking stocks that close the day down. That actually isn't such a great choice. So instead, let's focus on the stocks with big volume surges since that could be more consistent with the blow off top. Top of the chart is TDW. And you can see already that it has a very nice shooting star today, followed by, after a big breakout the previous day, which is actually pretty bullish. So let's take a look at Tidewater. It's actually not a stock that I would be interested in because I believe this is an oil and gas stock. But just for example purposes, let's take a look at the dilemma that anyone would find trying to trade this stock. So it's down from all-time highs, clearly. It's had much better days, but it has been on a very nice uptrend for the last 4 years, even if it's been choppy at times. And then now, after earnings, it broke out big time on Friday with a 14% move. It closed above the upper Bollinger Band, which is this black line. That says it's overstretched. And then today's move also is overstretched. So this is a candidate for a blow-off top. But I would have to say that overall, this stock is very bullish unless trading action goes below the breakout point, which is around here at the previous high. So hopefully you get the point of what a blow-off top, a potential blow-off top looks like. Let's just take a look at one more, and I will end the video at that. So we have Powell or Powell Industries, POWL. Again, I take a quick look to see if it's a good candidate to review. Sure enough, it is. And you can see this stock. Oh my gosh, this is a good one to take a look at because it has been on an incredible tear. I don't know how I missed this one. Powell Industries. I'm putting this one down to take a look at. It does have some potential characteristics of a blow-off top, but again, a lot of this bullishness is in the wake of earnings, so it's very possible that this price action will be very well supported. Again, what I'd be looking for a potential blow-off top is for the stock to close lower. If it's a clean break, all the better. So I don't want a stock that gaps up higher, then comes down or something like that, although it does have some bearish tendencies. I just want the stock to just start tomorrow down to confirm the blow-off top. So that's my review. Hopefully, that's if you have any questions on what makes a potential blow-off top, just put your questions in the captions in the question box below. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Subscribe on my YouTube channel. You can also check me out on my blog, drduru.com/122, all one word. Thank you for checking this out, and I will see you the next time. Take it easy.